Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi getting our week of groceries. I have a smaller haul this week, which isn't a bad thing because my pantry, fridge, freezer all look super stuffed. Part of it is with summer, our plans change day to day. If something fun pops up, we take advantage. Like instead of soup on Sunday, we went to the beach. So that got bumped to this week's meal plan. We take advantage of fun things. Also, my kids being home all the time, if I pop into a store and all three are with me, I end up with a lot more groceries because they're all asking for different things. That means I'm trying to use a lot of different things that we've gathered over the last month of summer break. It's a holiday week with the 4th of July. We have some fun things planned, but we need to get the goods for the week. So let's get in, get the stuff, and don't forget at the end we're going to see my meal plan for the week, and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. I haven't seen these, but I really like the look of them. They're yellow and blue, very pretty, bright colors, but they're beach recliners, $24.99. And they're pretty like stiff but soft looking and kind of like a towel material. Really cool. We last minute made subs this weekend to go to the beach, and my kids want to do it again. We buy a day old Jimmy John's bread, but we're gonna get potato chips to go with it and make onion dip to go with it. $2.59 for these chips. $1.35. We need bread for toast. We have a lot of random fruits left over, including some we just bought for the beach. But I need a few bananas, 45 cents a pound. 2 dozen eggs, $2.55 a piece. My daughter's gonna make crepes for her friends when they stay the night. I need to make some dog food, and we're making a double batch of cookies on the 4th of July. Lots of eggs needed. Sour cream to make the chip dip with at $2.39. We don't sell Aldi brand sour cream anymore. Do you guys have Friendly Farms still? Okay, I'm gonna get 2 things of butter because we're making lots of butter this week. The soups, baked potatoes, double batch of cookies, and it's $3.59 each. $2.63 for a gallon of 2% milk. I'm gonna get 2 Roma tomatoes for the subs, 89 cents a pound. My older daughter requested baked potatoes for dinner, and I love when my kids make dinner requests because I know they'll eat it. So not only are we having baked potato soup for 2 nights this week along with tomato soup, but we're gonna have baked potatoes. Yay, we never have this here. I have a basil tube on my shopping list, but look, they have organic fresh basil for my tomato basil soup. Yay, this makes me so happy. We are almost out of honey mustard dressing, which they use on their subs, $1.89. We love this stuff. I'm getting a grape juice at $2.95 and an apple juice at $1.89. My kids have been requesting juice. They have these little mosaics. They're only $5. They're solar. Cute little table runners. Oh, I do really like this one actually. My family cannot keep this clean. A little blow up projector screen, we have that. It still works great, and it's from Aldi. They have these different ice cube trays, little mini size or bigger ones. Squeeze bottles for condiments. Lots of food prep and ice cream stuff here. I actually love these glasses. I would be buying these if it wasn't going to be a storage pain. Fun little parfaits. Oh, and they're not glass, they're plastic. That's really nice. They're acrylic. $5.99. Ice cream scoop. This is cute. A sandwich maker. Only $3.99 for these. That really seems like a pretty good deal. Chip and dip set. Bamboo picnic set. A picnic basket. Ice cream storage. These kind of remind me of like what would work with Ninja Creamies. If you have leftovers, you could store them in these. Knife set, food chopper. I hate cleaning these, but I love having one. Super, super helpful to get uniform. Oh my gosh, these are so funny. A pretzel pool float, my kids would love that. $4.99. I absolutely used to love buying these shoes for my son. So the Crocs I got him last week fit only because the back is super flexible, but really a great value, $3.99. I bought this monster wing for my dog before. She did really like it. I don't know, people kind of warned me against them in the past. I don't know why. I bet she would really love that. I'm tempted. $8.99. Big flying discs. Let's see, what's it look like? Okay, so that's what it looks like. I thought that was a dog toy, but I think it's just a person toy. Planter stands, travel cooler, yard games still here, all the pickleball stuff, lots of things that have been around a while. Okay, I am running low on these. I buy a bunch at a time so I don't run out. So I'm gonna get actually 3 of them because they're on sale for $2.99. Love them. Actually, I'll just get 2 because they're running low. I'm getting this bacon to top the baked potato soup and 4 baked potatoes. $4.99, multi-day use. I don't think we're running low, but since we're making a double batch of cookies, I don't want to run out. $2.35 for flour. This is what my husband loves to mix with sour cream to make chip dip. We're gonna have that with the subs at 98 cents. Okay, I'm getting this marinara to put as a pizza sauce. My son wants to make homemade pizza dough to make pizzas. Individual ones, $1.59 for the sauce. That was my buddy boy's request. We use extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. This is my preference. It's $5.49 and we just ran out. Wish me luck, I see an empty box. Could it be? Yay! I was a little nervous because I need 2 bags of these. I'm making a double batch of cookies and you top them and put these inside. It's a crumble cookie recipe copycat, but we're making them smaller. And I'm taking them to a couple different 4th of July things we're hopping around to. It'll be an easy dish to pass, but everyone loves it. 2 of these at $3.99 a piece. There's only 1 of my waters, so I'm gonna take it for 89 cents. Okay, there's all the ice cream things they've been having for a while. I am gonna get this tub of whipped cream for $1.79. When my daughter has her sleepover, tonight actually, she wants to make crepes for her friends in the morning, and you need whipped cream and strawberries for that. $1.79. I thought these are interesting. They look like bomb pops, but it's lemon, blueberry, and strawberry. They are $3.29 for 6 of them. A lot of our freezer area is the same stuff. It's picked over, nothing really new from last week. So that's kind of surprising. Usually I see some new things here. They still have the individual pasta meals. They do have dark cherries and pomegranates. We still have the pomegranates in our freezer. My daughter did not like them. I wanted to check what the bratwurst prices were, what they have just for later this week. We are having people over on Saturday, and I don't know what we're having because my husband, it's his friends, and he hasn't decided. And since he's not the one cooking, he doesn't really have a fire under his butt. But I just wanted to see what they had. We don't really use bratwurst very often because my kids are so picky. It's just not worth buying a big pack. But it's nice to see even the salads. Okay, I want to get this for when we do the pizza. I love putting fresh mozzarella on top, and then I'll just snack on the rest if no one else in my family wants to eat it. $3.99 for that. And then to top our soup with, we had some of this, but we ran out last week, so $2.19 for shredded Parmesan, and we also put croutons on the tomato soup. Wait, I'm gonna put this back. It's $3.99. Wait, no. Yeah, I'm gonna put this back. It's $3.99, but I actually think these would be more manageable for the individual pizzas at $3.49. That'll be nice. Okay, mozzarella is $3.49. Need that for our pizza, of course. Kind of started an avalanche here. Okay, so I tried this. I didn't love it. I didn't hate it. I don't drink Moscato, so I don't really know what to compare it to. I'll just say I won't be buying it again. I was just trying to branch out a little bit. Still, blueberry is my #1. I was just looking to see if there's anything I wanted to get for 4th of July while we're outside with family in the evening. But I think I'll look at Meijer instead. Okay, we were big fans of these, so I'm gonna get these again. I probably would have skipped the chip dips and chips. It's already all in my cart if I knew these were here, but they're still good. Do I need a more packed pantry? No, but will we eat these eventually? Yes. $2.69. Okay guys, was I like accidentally given an early bag of these? I still haven't eaten these from last week when I grabbed them, but now there's like boxes of them, but I found one randomly in the clearance section, so I think I got it early. I'm gonna consider myself lucky, but there's a bunch of the hummus crisp. Those of you that were jealous, I hope you get yours this week too. $2.19. I've had these before, delicious. I haven't had these, I bought them last week, but they'll be gone probably this week. Yum yum. I'm not getting this, but it's fun that they have it in store. Angel food cake, $4.49. Mexican style corn. Lots of fun things. Oh, these always are yummy. Well, actually my husband likes these. I'm not even the biggest fan. I think they're good, but I don't run for them, but I like seeing their different flavors as they come out. $2.29. Okay, so here's my cart. I am gonna stop at Meijer and get a few things. Any guesses on the total? Okay, the total is $79.24. Now let's go to Meijer and get our last few things. I was mistaken. I thought strawberries were on sale here. They're not, but Elsie wants them for her crepes. So we're gonna get one 2-pound thing, $4.99. $4.99, and then we do have a lot of fruit still, so we'll be good for the rest. I'll make my kids what we have on hand, plus my in-laws give us blueberries from their blueberry bush, and we have a lot of those too. I'm cutting our watermelon from last week tonight. I never cut into it, but look, $2.99, that is amazing. See those watermelons? If the one I bought last week isn't good or doesn't last us all week, you know I'm getting another one. Green onions are 99 cents a bunch here. These are great on not only baked potatoes, but the baked potato soup, so yummy. Okay, so we buy this in a couple different variations. This one is the one we get at Meijer. It's a hoagie dressing, but Walmart has one called sub sauce. Really good. I think it's $3.99. I don't see this exact one up here, but it's definitely worth getting for subs, and we're almost out. Everyone loves this. And you just kind of shake it and drizzle. Okay, so recently a friend of mine suggested that I try these. Actually, she suggested it a long time ago, but I just bought them last week when I ran in here, and they are really good, but they're not as good, in my personal opinion, as my favorite one, salt and pepper. Absolute very best. And second to me are these, but they were good. Okay, my older daughter, Mila, requested that we have walking tacos for dinner. We don't actually build them in the bag, but she wanted specifically chili cheese Fritos. Thankfully, they're on sale, so I'm gonna get 2 of them at $6. We have taco meat in our freezer, and then everything else we pretty much have on hand. The green onions we'll use for this, salsa, sour cream for making the chip dip. It's really nice when meals kind of go together like that. I already have jarred cheese and sprinkled cheese. So you basically build the taco on top of these in a bowl. So it's kind of like taco salad. Your tortilla comes from these. Family favorite, really easy to eat out by the pool. Okay, my daughter absolutely loves Cholula, so I was looking for Cholula. I don't know why it's not here or where else I would look. So, I guess I'll come back. But while I'm here, I will grab this. $2.15. Anyone else wish Taco Bell still had these? Even though I don't really eat at Taco Bell anymore, I used to love their green salsa. Yum. Okay, I'm a huge fan of this with a diet pop. So that's what I was thinking I was gonna come here and get, but I've never seen this before, and I think that would be really good in diet, like root beer or diet Dr. Pepper. So I'm gonna get this at $12.99 and give that a try as my little bevy on 4th of July. $12.99 at Meijer. Okay, so here's my cart from Meijer. Any guess on my total? And my total here was $32.19. Now let's go see my meal plan for the week. Okay, here's our meal plan for the week. Tonight we are having potato and tomato soup. This is homemade. I'm making 2 batches of soup, and I'm making homemade crusty bread. And because it's such an undertaking, it'll be 2 nights of dinner. My kids love these soups. I personally love both of them. My husband doesn't love tomato soup, but he likes potatoes, so it'll all work out well. Wednesday, we're gonna have walking tacos. Again, that was my vegetarian's request. I have taco meat, black beans, all the fixins. Everyone can build their own. We love build your own meals because vegetarian or not, you can have it exactly how you like. Thursday, I am going to my grandfather's house. He's having a family party, and then I'm hoping to visit my other grandparents because it's my grandpa's birthday on the 4th of July. We go to my in-laws later in the day. We're also going to our local parade, so we are spending the day hopping from one place to the other. I'm not making any meals. We'll be eating out and about, but we are making a double batch of Reese's cookies and gonna take them out. So the recipe I'm using is a crumble recipe where the cookies are giant, but we're probably gonna make each of the big cookies into 3 and just take them to the various parties. Friday, we're having subs and chips. So we have most everything on hand except for I do buy day-old Jimmy John's bread. So we can make them look like Jimmy John's. We have their delicious bread, but it's only 50 cents a loaf. Saturday, we have friends coming over. My husband still hasn't decided or worked out with his friend what kind of food would be good for their allergies, so I have no idea what we're doing Saturday. But then Sunday, we're making homemade pizzas. That was my son's request, and salads. I realized when I was writing out this meal plan after I shopped that I had put baked potatoes as my 7th meal of the week because I forgot I didn't have a meal, that I had a mystery here. So baked potatoes will be next week, even though I already bought all the potatoes. If you want to see how I make taco meat in bulk, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.